Okay, everybody, great news. I was actually able to get this to come off. It just required some prying. I was scared. I was afraid I was going to break something, but basically what I did is just took my pry tool and slid it back here. And actually I did on this side here. So this maybe this is the right way to do it. I don't know. But I took my, I just had a big flathead screwdriver from my iFixit kit. And I slid it across here. And right here I kind of just pushed it. And then it finally started to pop off. So if you look at it here, let's see. Looks like there might be some clips here. Might be what those are. Let's see here. Yeah, I think those are clips. And it's gonna probably just push back down and pop into place. There you go. That's how you can take it apart. Just pop it off, and just go slow and take your time. I mean, that's really the secret. Worst case scenario, if you do break it, you can always tape it. I mean, obviously, if you're fixing it for someone else, not ideal. If you are fixing it for someone else, if you are a repair person, you fix stuff for someone else. So always just keep your customer in the loop and keep it. I like to keep it genuine, and just say, hey, like for this, I would say, hey, I'm trying to get this thing taken apart. I'm running into some problems here. I might be able to get it apart, but I might have to break it a little bit, just so you know. Because you gotta understand, when people come to you with a repair, no one else really does this stuff. I mean, this one, I couldn't find anything online about it. So people bring you something random to have you look at. I just want to keep it real with them and explain your limitations and not try to be something that you aren't. So hopefully that's helpful. Yeah, just you're there to help this person. They entrust you. And there's no one else really that they can go to, so don't feel like, don't try to make it something that you're not. Don't be like, oh yeah, it's going to come back in pristine condition. That's something that's really important. A little side note, anybody that's wanting to do their own repairs, is make sure you are, things can get damaged, things can break, and that's just part of the process. When something gets repaired versus get replaced at the store, it's not going to look, it may not look as good. And so that's what I've done in my life. It's been very helpful, especially when I like to tinker with these random things. I like doing this kind of stuff. I've had customers that came to me and wanted me to do these kind of random repairs for them. Something I never touched before. So let them know, hey, I've never done this kind of thing before. Definitely give it a shot. We'll see what we can find out. And, but it may not come back perfect, and people are pretty reasonable, as long as you're reasonable with them. So anyways, hope that helps. Good luck on your repair, and let me know how your repair is going, and any tips, please let us know. So we really appreciate it. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Have a good one.